Hello, folks. This is Ben Dover reporting live from the northern suburbs of Chicago, where it's Memorial Day and it's snowing very heavily. We have several inches of snow. This is the largest snowfall we've ever had this late, May 27th, and it looks like we've probably got about 3 or 4 inches on the ground. The weathercasters and meteorologists had no idea this was going to happen. There was a rumor going around that some polar bear is claiming responsibility for it. You be the judge.
Hello, folks. I'm Sicko the polar bear, and I'm angry because nobody returned my piece of German chocolate cake which they stole. So all you folks in Chicago, if you don't want snow on the 4th of July, whoever is responsible for stealing a piece of my German chocolate cake, come forward, or it will be snowy on the 4th of July.